Hey, Gary here with you. I want to take a quick second to update you on a change inside of the Taking Action Online community and the training. You will see there is a new tab here called Foundation. Now, if you remember just a few days ago, I made this video here. You can see that the Foundation tab is not there because this is brand new training that has been added and given to you for your $1. This is just $1. It is the best affiliate marketing training for beginners. There is a link in the description. And if we go back to the community feed, this is after you log in, getting your account. Link in the description. You click on Foundation. It takes you over to this brand new training that's just been added by Philip Barrelman, Foundations of a Profitable Online Business, or How to Make Money Using a Towel Training is step 1 of 5. Your blueprint to passive income and evergreen business, honesty, trust, and transparency, compound growth, and passive income. And then video 5, let's start the training now, which is here. And then once you watch this video from Philip Barrelman, you will see this image that takes you over to the action plan, or you simply just click this link after you watch each one of these videos in order. And then you click here to start the 7-step action plan, which takes you into the action plan. And then you have now the success blueprint. The success blueprint is now the starting point for the 7-step action plan. Before, it was the Fast Track Affiliate Bootcamp. And this was the focus of Taking Action Online, was the focus of building a affiliate marketing business, which it still is solid training for starting affiliate marketing for a beginner. But Philip has broadened the scope here a little bit with the success blueprint of understanding more so how you can make money online by walking through the action plan. And he's taken this and turned it into a success blueprint for overall understanding what it is that you're truly building. Yes, getting started as an affiliate, but also creating the foundations of success online to be able to make money online, not just as an affiliate, but as you'll see here in the training, you have affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, cost per action or CPA marketing, online courses, sponsored content, membership sites, consulting, digital products, YouTube monetization, content writing. Philip is covering it all now inside of the TAO training, so you fully understand what you get when you start this training, all aspects and different angles of making money online once you start with Taking Action Online. Again, the link in the description. It's still just $1. And if you want to see exactly the process and you didn't watch this video yet here, watch that where I buy it for $1 and show you exactly what you get for your dollar. So check out that video, and I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.